Hi, Steve Huber here, and welcome to Vernon Toyota. Today I'd like to take this opportunity to show you this 2016 Toyota Yaris Premium Sedan. Let's take a look. This is a one-owner and no reported accidents Yaris. It has a 1.5-liter four-cylinder motor and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With an incredible 7.2 liters per 100 kilometers city and 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers highway, this little gem is sure to go easy on the old pocketbook. On the exterior, we have fog lights, heated mirrors, keyless entry, backup camera, alloy wheels, traction control, and a nice looking intense blue metallic color. For the interior, we have a keyless start, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, power locks, windows and mirrors, air conditioning, and charging ports. Whether you're a first-time driver, a daily commuter, or simply someone seeking a dependable, feature-packed vehicle, the 2016 Yaris Premium Sedan is a choice that promises not to disappoint. Come in and see myself, Steve Huber. I'll be happy to show you this one or set you up on a test drive today.